Pickup artists are dying a slow death. I have so many guys complaining about this coach, complaining about this guy's boot camp, complaining about not getting any results. What kind of coach are these guys hiring? I hate to break it to you, there's a lot of fraudulent coaches in today's space, and it's all the big ones. You would never believe it. Just because someone has 1 million followers, just because someone has a huge YouTube channel, doesn't necessarily mean that they're a good coach or even know how to pull. You may look at some guy with 1 million followers and say, wow, he must really know what he's doing. You may look at the guy with a really good ad and say, wow, this guy must really know how this works. When in reality, it's the furthest thing from the truth.
I'm sure that's not true.
These guys aren't dating coaches. They're not true admirers of the game. They're businessmen. This all comes down to marketing. Guys have $1 million marketing machines behind them. So they look cool running around the street. They look cool getting a quick, shitty number.
Hey, excuse me. You look very nice today.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's your name?
Daniela.
Daniela, Cameron.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Where are you from?
I'm here.
Okay, I'm just visiting, but I love your energy. San Diego.
San Diego?
Yeah,
Okay.
you ever come visit?
I don't, not a lot, yeah.
Well, you should. We should keep in touch.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sure.
Here.
But are not actually true guys of the game. They don't understand how it actually works. These guys are tricking you into believing that they have these really crazy dating lives, that they pull women every night, that they have huge rotations of girls. I'm not going to drop any names here. I would say 50% of our clients are guys who have been taken advantage of by other coaches after they paid $5, $10, even $20,000. Does that seem like a noble thing to do? Or are they just in it for the money? Coach Jesse actually was in a set and he pulled in a random guy, and the guy had no idea what he was doing. Literally lost. Guess what? A few months later, he was showing me the video, and I go, holy crap, that's that guy on YouTube. That's the other coach. He has a pretty big following, 20 times the size of our following. And the guy had no idea what to do in set. He had no idea how to wing Jesse. He looked like a deer in the headlights. That's how I know these guys don't know what they're talking about. If anyone really knows me and Jesse, guys we've coached, guys who actually hang around us, they've seen us pull 5, 6, 7 nights in a row. They see the girls we date. They see how girls fall for us. They see how girls are willing to invest a lot in us in a very short period of time. It's all real. And we're a small channel. We're growing and we're about to put out a lot more day game, night game footage, content with the glasses, just so you can see how it's actually done. Not a guy looking for a quick, shitty number, because that's most of what you see on the internet today. Hey, can I get your number? I like you. You think that girl ever texted him back? No. You failed to build attraction. You failed to make her feel something for you. You failed to actually get her to want to respond to you because she wanted to see you again. This is not about marketing. We truly love it and we truly want to be our authentic selves. This space really is the blind leading the blind. When you come into the space and look for a coach, me and Jesse truly care about you guys. We talk to our students one-on-one all the time. Me and Jesse have 15, 20 years of experience between both of us. Even if I didn't get paid another dollar, me and Jesse would still be out 3 nights a week. We would still be going on hundreds of dates. We would still be pulling and closing girls because we love it. Boys, if you watch this far, me and Jesse are hosting a boot camp in Austin, Texas, October 10th to October 13th. If you're one of the few lucky ones to get in-person training with me and Jesse, book a free 30-minute call in the description below and we'll get you on the camp. There's only 2 spots left. We all know how riddled this industry is with scammers, but there are maybe a handful of coaches I can count, none of them with huge YouTube followings, that are actually extremely legit and truly understand women. None of this huge marketing scheme behind them pushing them to look way better than they actually are. Because guess what? Your favorite YouTube coach, your favorite pickup artist, your favorite guy who's coached you before, me and Jesse have probably game next to them. And we always pull and they're left alone. They literally see us walking out of the club, out of the bar every single time. I can't tell you how many times in Las Vegas, me and Jesse, and maybe one of our assistant coaches, we leave with girls, we take them home, and other coaches are coaching boot camps simultaneously, and they have no girls. Their students are never leaving with women. Meanwhile, we're always leaving with women. These coaches are putting all their time into their marketing, into their ads, into all these other things, but they're not actually good coaches. They never got good themselves. They still have approach anxiety. I see coaches at the club with approach anxiety. Just because you see a guy and he's nerdy and he reminds you of yourself doesn't necessarily mean he would be a good coach. Stop looking for guys who have your same attributes and look for guys who are actually getting real world results, who are actually pulling girls consistently, who actually have big rotations locations here in America, not in South America, not in Asia, where it's literally 10,000 times easier, where women are meeting guys strictly based on survival tactics. You don't actually need game in a country like Colombia or a country like Brazil. You don't actually need game in those South American countries because women are literally fighting for resources. And guess who has the resources? Foreigners who are traveling there to meet them. That's why these guys are getting these girls. It's not because their game is good. I cannot wait to go to Brazil. I cannot wait to go to Colombia. I cannot wait to go to these places so I can show you what me and Jesse truly are capable of. We are pulling here every single night in the United States. Wait till I get to Brazil. Wait till I get to Colombia. It's over for all y'all. Boys, if you watch this far, hit the subscribe button and I'll see you next time.